In this video, I'm going to be laying out a really simple technique to help you lay out tenons on a live edge slab, particularly tusk tenons in this case. G'day, my name's 𝗬𝗂𝗂, welcome to Chestnut and Ag. This video is part of a series I've been doing on the build for my medieval knockdown table, which is almost finished. Very close. In a bit of a departure from the medieval tradition that I'm recreating, I'm using a live edge slab for the brace, or what I'm using is a shelf on this table. I'm not saying that they didn't use live edge slabs in the medieval period, but they're not common. In fact, I think I've maybe seen one or two. Now, the key to this technique is really simple. It's just getting a straight line from one end of the slab to the other. Now, you could use any straight line, but what I specifically wanted to do here was follow the grain of the timber. So I trimmed each edge so that I could clearly see the growth rings, and then based on the center of those growth rings, that was what I used for my straight edge line. See, I told you it was simple. And the main point I want to make about this video is how you choose where to lay out that straight line. In this case, for structural reasons, because I wanted the grain of the timber to be running true as much as possible to give strength to the tenons, I wanted the tenons to be parallel, laid out parallel with the grain. But you might have another reason, another justification for using a different line. It might be to do with the figure of the wood, or some other design consideration. But really what it comes down to is you lay out a single straight line and then reference everything off that. So can you make sense of all those marks that he's making? No, nope, it beats me. Do you mind? You can just be patient. So I hope you found these useful, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the build of this shelf component for my table, and maybe I hope you enjoyed the interjections as well. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.